Hello, this is Manoj. I moved to the UK last year. Despite of having more than 4 years of expertise in IT field, I had a difficult time settling in here. The job market made it extremely difficult for me to find work. I joined Fortray and updated my skills, and today I am in a good company. From the beginning, from the training section to the end, to the mentorship section, they help me a lot. Uh, they teach me in the training section. They teach me from scratch to be expertise. And the placement team also very amazing, particularly Muhammad Hazim, who called me on a regular basis to provide update and advice on how to improve myself and prepare for interviews. If I have a problem, he will answer right away and resolve it as quick as possible. Once again, thank you to the entire team of Fortray, and thank you Muhammad Hazim for my placement support.